Hello guys, welcome to QWOP Education. This is the fifth video or the fifth class of free SEO series, and in this we will study about how to put HTML codes or the HTML SEO codes in your homepage and the pages you have targeted for SEO. So let's begin. In the last class we have discussed about updating descriptions and titles. What is a meta description? The rules for writing meta descriptions. What are title tags in SEO? Rules for writing a title tag. And uploading the title and description to your website. So in this class, we will see including HTML code in homepage and SEO targeting pages. So the first of all we'll see is including the main SEO code in the homepage, which will include HTML codes, and coding the pages that are targeted for SEO, which will include products page and service page and much more. So we will see how and why the code is used in SEO so that you will get a better response. Suppose your website is completed and your website appears to be correct and it is fully functional and it is uploaded to the internet. After that we will see how it works. How it works. We will come to see that all the pages are completely working or not, or is there any kind of error or something else. And after that is overcome by the developer, the next part comes to SEO. If you are interested in doing SEO, what comes next? So let's take an example that I have two pages. First one is my products page. I am here giving an example of dress code, or I sell t-shirts or anything, or else I have a services page. So mainly what people do, take their home page to SEO and products and services pages. Maximum of the website you will see the pages that will be under SEO are the home page, the product page, and the services pages. No one gives their blog page to SEO, or regarding it, it is not also used. SEO is not also used for promoting a blog page, or you can say about us page, like that. So the main code of SEO is the HTML code. Let's see that. Next we will see point by point description, and I will make you point by point understand that what are the meta keywords that are used in the home page in order to do search engine optimization. The first thing is your language, which is typically or basically given English in every websites. The next is allowing the search for all the web browsers, that is you must give your yes. And the next one is identify URL, which is your company URL, which you can give the homepage of the company or the page you are doing SEO. That page link must be placed here. The next is robots tag. After creating the robots from Google, I will show it in the further classes how robots are created. You must write an index follow. The next thing is the rating of the website, rating content, which you will always provide your general. And next, the sixth point comes meta name copyright. It means that from which for which company you are working and what is the date or the year of the copyright year. As I have given here 2020, my website is created in 2020, and here I will give the company name. The next is for the expiry. It says that meta name expires, content never. That means our website never expires from the server, so that no one will be worried about our website, or no one will come or not able to see this. Next is the audience who can watch this, especially whom all the audience can watch. The next thing is author of the website. The author of the website is the company name itself. The next thing is the classification of our website. That means our website or our company is basically on service or basically on products. So as suppose this company is company name is one of the company and it is providing services, so it is my service. Classification is service, and the meta name distribution, it means that my website will be distributed throughout globally. Anywhere, any from any point of the world can see my website, or can see my products or see my services, etc. Next thing is the title. The title itself is the company name. The company name is the title of the DC title of the the company name is the DC title of the website. The next, these 13, 14, 15, 16 points are about the geographical locations. The geographical locations, the origin, in hyphen or. It means that my website is present in Bhubaneswar Municipality Corporation, or outside it. And the geo position is the coordinates where you give your location. It can be created online. We will see this in later classes. And last thing is ICBM content. This is also the coordinates. The same coordinates here created, I will give here, so that the Google or any web browser you are using will give you the pinpoint location of that place my company is situated. The next thing is keywords used in website with description for all pages company name. That means here I have given all the description with all my keywords. If you want, you can pause it here and watch this. So what is the service page? First of all, we can easily say that a company or any business have one kind of service or one kind of product. So if a company is service based or if a company is product based, but in both the cases, your company needs to access the internet. So to access internet, you must have a website. So in the website, you have to share your services, or you have to share the products which you are selling. In that case, you can see here what a product page looks like. The product page you can see here is a t-shirt brand, and the t-shirt brand is not mentioned here due to copyright issue, but you can see that different types of images are there which are helping the company to grow in search engine optimization. Because when you search for t-shirt, when you type the keyword t-shirt, your company or your website may be suggested by Google to the user you are using. So this is the work of a product page. And next comes the service page. The service page shows the type of service you offer, or if you are not going through product page, only service page, it is also okay, totally okay for the SEO. The next thing you can see here is this page only focuses within what your website is for. You can see there is written branding, and branding. It is also next written branding and development, web design, social media, e-commerce. These all are one kind of services offer. And when the keyword is typed, suppose one person types e-commerce keyword. So when the e-commerce keyword is typed by the user in the Google or any browser, that particular browser may suggest this website or your particular service pages, so it is easy to access, or it may help you to grow the business to a very larger level. So next, we will see what did we study today. First thing we studied was adding codes to your home pages, adding the codes to your SEO target pages. Next is the products page of a website, and then the services page of a website. Next is the SEO codes, point by point understanding. So that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for joining. We'll be connected soon. Thank you.